Traditional models for scaling staffing and consulting firms are broken. With current market situation and AI taking over jobs, growth is slowing for many firms, and margins are getting tighter every day. Scaling your business as it grows is getting harder and harder. This isn't just a cycle. The industry has changed. Adding more business development professionals, recruiters, and account managers no longer guarantees growth. What about throwing AI into the mix? Tools such as Copilots, Gemini, but most of it just adds more layers. The shift isn't adding tools. It's replacing manual execution entirely. That's where Atlas comes in, the future of execution. It's not another tool. It's an AI operating system built to run execution inside your business. It just doesn't sit on top of your business, but runs it, gives you real-time visibility into what's happening across your pipeline, automatically book meetings, navigates through opportunities in motion, connect with your customers and candidates for improved efficiency. Atlas starts by defining your ideal buyers, capturing real demand signals from the market, finding and qualifying opportunities automatically, and moving them through your pipeline without manual effort. Sourcing and matching the right candidates continuously, managing customer relationships end to end, tracking activity, engagement, and status in real time, and ensuring every account is progressing without manual follow-ups. Managing your workforce in real time, tracking performance, availability, and roles, aligning the right people to the right work automatically. Executing tasks and workflows across projects, tracking progress, priorities to completion, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Powered by AI agents, handling different functions across your business, all coordinated through a central commands layer, where execution happens in real time. From targeting to execution, handled end to end. This isn't theoretical. Atlas is already running inside staffing firms, handling work that typically requires 20+ professionals, reducing manual workload by 40 to 60%, increasing outreach speed by 2 to 3 times, and driving significantly more pipeline. Your team stays lean, focused on relationships and closing, while Atlas handles execution and keeps revenue moving 24/7. See how Atlas runs your business live. Request a demo.